What's up, homie? Right here. Thanks, boss.
Park car with cast member, please.
Let's go. I don't know what's his name. Let's go to about the. Hey, Angel. Sorry about that, man. Sorry. Hey, pay attention. You wash your hands? Huh? We'll be over here waiting for you. Oh, what that? Go with that way. Hey, shit. Let's go to Disney, homie. Come on, guys. This way. This way. Where do you think you're going, Angel? Oh, they got that bracelet. All right, who's the first one?
Hi, good morning. Underneath.
Oh. Come on, babe.
All right, Daniel, come on in.
Daniel. Lucky.
Good. Come on in.
Oh, me next. Thank you.
So, Melanie already slept on the couch.
Yeah. Oh, Angel. And now, Mama. Good morning. Thank you. Yeah. You guys go in the front. Get in the front. Close it. Okay, let's close this now. Come on, let's go. Hey, wait. You okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. There's some dollars in. Yeah.
No, it goes to 4.
I know. That's $1. It's 4 quarters. We'll do one more. No, you do it too.
We can do 3 people.
Hold on.
Here.
Oh, Ariel and me right there.
Daniel.
Give Daniel. Here, back. You can do it. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Oh, I ran out. Here, give me one more. Give me one more. Damn. Yeah. Yeah, Ariel. Come on. Come on. Shoot him. Uh-oh. Are you ready? Ready? You guys ready? Oh. Uh-oh. Ready? Oh. Woo. Yeah. Woo. No. Oh, no. Oh, shit. Uh-oh. No? Uh-oh, look, we're going higher. Oh. Woo! Okay, let's go to the Haunted Mansion one. Guys, you ever seen a ghost horse before? Ghost horse.
Oh, it's the white thing that's holding you.
No, it's a ghost horse, Angel.
No, it's not.
Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
Pirates of the Caribbean, like Ariel says. Pirates in the Bean.
Pirates in the Bean.
Popcorn time? Yeah. All right, let's go get some popcorn. Yeah, let's go. You guys want to look in the, they want to look in the stores? Come on, that's what you need. Come on. Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Any discounts with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Magically?
Oh, it feels good to say that now. Yeah, we'll get the bag just in case. Okay, let's go find a popcorn plate over here. How would you use it? I'm the dragon. Oh, shit.
How I told you.
I didn't say whack me in the face.
Angel said to do. Oh.
It's really cute.
All right, thank you. You want to get it for her, babe?
I think they have any California too.
Okay, we'll go see it over there. Angel gets very protective when it comes to popcorn.
Daddy,
Huh?
can I show you something? Look,
What?
I can catch the popcorn with my tongue. Look.
All right.
So is it right
Damn. What? Damn, look at this stormtrooper. Which one? Oh, yeah, I remember that one. Huh? No, we should be there for Halloween. Huh? Oh, that's pretty cool. Huh? 129. Join the Empire. Yeah. For work?
Dad, what is this?
One,
Dad, what's
two.
this?
Oh, that's that. I think the one where they put in the hand and communicate with. Bluetooth communicator.
use it.
The communicator.
You can actually lose it.
I wonder if you can really talk in there. It says Bluetooth. Put it right there. I can hang out here all day. Until 11 o'clock? Look at Chewbacca. Shoot him! Shoot him!
Line up behind the train so we can harpoon and let's go.
Go down!
Shoot the train.
Hold on, man. Look at his legs. Here. Hey, what is that? Oh, look, babe. Look at his face. Oh my God, this guy looks scared. You said it looks like Shishiro? Aw, man, the thing doesn't work. Come on. Man, look at all the lightsabers. Damn. Hey, babe, you think this will fit me? Look, guys, you think those fit? Oh, look at the wildcat. Oh, we're on our way to California now. California time.
There was only one thing that I really liked from the wings that they showed.
What kind of wings?
Spicy.
Yeah, huh?
How come when Mom, you and me didn't get anything?
I don't know.
Only
We'll see.
Ben and Elder.
Well, I might get the Iron Man helmet over there. Yeah. Let's do it.
Stuff over there?
Yeah.
They have an Avengers store.
Yeah. I told you we're gonna spend a little bit at Disney and then spend the rest of the day at California. Told you. Holy shenanigans! Look at the lines. Huh. Once upon a time.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, me? You know, just spider stuff. Time for some field testing. Hey, could you record it for me? Tag me later.
Look at that. 3 pizzas. Me and Mom are gonna go get some birria. Yep. We're almost there. We are almost there. Let's go right here, Angel. And let Mom sit right there. Yeah, it's just pretty good. Yeah. I know. I don't know. I'll check the phone. Cars Land. So you gonna get those?
Yeah, and then next time I'll get the gloves.
Okay.
I'll get the gloves. And next time you'll get
Don't move those.
They're already thinking you're gonna steal that. What's wrong with you? Come on. Let's go. Oh, let's wait for Mom, Ariel, and let's go home. Huh? Oh, okay. Let's wait.